on me, yeah. Wanna make you feel good, wanna make you feel real good, make your ball out when you feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? So from the title, I know you guys said that I'm doing a get ready with me today, but before we jump into the hair and makeup, you guys, I know you said that I'm doing a giveaway as well, and the giveaway that I'm doing is actually a part of my outfit. Now, as you can see, this is Jord. This is from Jord wood watches. These are like luxury wooden watches. Okay, I got my first Jord watch 3 years, like 2 to 3 years ago, and still have it, love it. Every time I wear it I get so many compliments, and today I wanted to actually give you guys a chance to win a gift code to use the Jord site. Okay, so only one lucky person will win. All right, basically I'm going to explain everything in detail as it relates to this giveaway after I show you what I'm doing with my hair and my makeup today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I showed this wig to you guys like a couple videos ago, and I absolutely love it because it looks so natural. Like, I do have curly wigs, like a good amount of curly wigs from RPGHair.com, but this is probably like one of the kinkiest. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm styling it today. And as you see, I showed you guys this mousse. It's a part of what I'm gonna be using to kind of tame the curls, because as you can see, this hair is really big if you don't like really tame it. If you are into the whole big hair look though, totally go for it and have fun, but I wanted the curls to be a little bit more tame today, so I took some of my Sacha Carson mousse, and I also did take some conditioner, but I didn't get that on camera, and that's by mistake. And I kind of just used this paddle brush I got from RPG Hair, which is so handy because it really helps to define the curls, and I just use this and it runs right through the wig. It's amazing. Look at those curls, they're juicy, they're popping, it's full, looks healthy and natural, and that is what we want, right? That is definitely what we want. So yeah, as I was saying, this hair is of a natural color, like, you know, 1B, and I'll put the length that I have in the description box. Also I'll put the direct link to where you can get this wig. I'll put the direct link to my page as well, so you can go directly over there and purchase this or any other wig that you're interested in getting. And don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE10. Yes, because I'm always looking out for you guys to get, you know, some dollars off. So today I really wanted to go for like a half up, half down look. Nothing new really, but this was the vibe I was feeling, and I was going to an event, actually a compare event here in Kingston, Jamaica. So I don't know, I was feeling kind of, you know, updo vibes, half up half down vibes, I should say. So that's what I did, and I used the same brush to kind of just, you know, tame everything. And you know, yeah, and this the same hair tie that I'm using here, I got it in my RPG hair package. Yeah, and it's so easy, it's very simple. Yeah, this is how the curls are looking. By the way, if you're wondering about the frontal area, yes, I customized that myself. If you need a detailed video on how to customize your wigs, I will link like about 2 down below in the description. So now I just proceed to adding that to my head. And if you guys need a video also on how to tint your lace, because I know a lot of people is concerned with that, how to make your lace match your skin tone more, I will link a video to that as well. So I'm just wrapping this scarf around that area so everything can really just melt into my skin and look even more realistic. Yeah, so now we're moving on to makeup, and today I really wanted to do like a very warm, kind of warm, like smoky vibe. I wanted to go for like reds and oranges and stuff. So I went into my Royal Beauty Queen palette, and these shadows don't have names, so I took that orangey one, and this is what we're using for the transition today. I'm going in with this deeper, like rusty reddish orangey color, and I'm putting that like kind of like more directly into my crease to kind of just intensify that warmth. And then I pretty much just diffuse everything, make it really blown out. I went on the center with that white to kind of lighten things up and break it up a little bit, and then kind of went around the edges with like a burnt orangey shadow. I think it was the same shadow that I applied to the crease, yes. And that was literally it. It's so simple, like 3 shadows and you're good. Now I'm going in with my Stilazzi Gel Liner, and this I used to make my wing. And I took Fifth Avenue from KoKo Mink lashes, and I actually did apply these today over my fusion. I was just feeling like I really wanted to look lashed up, so I did that, and it really didn't feel too bad to me. And then, I do the usual, go on to face makeup, and, under the eyes, though, I think I used Golden Beige from Sister Cosmetics because I really wanted the under eye area to pop, and I used Warm from Kat Von D for the other portions I wanted to highlight. Yes, I proceeded to setting all these highlighted areas with my Sacha powder. I think it was the compact one, and I balanced out the rest of my face with my Milani pressed powder. And this is in Warm 109. I did a light contouring as well from my Black Radiance palette, and I used the contour shade. Now I'm just gonna spray my face and set everything with my Mario Badescu. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. My Mario Badescu water. This is the cucumber one, and I just pat everything in with my damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques. I proceed to applying my glove, which is where it come from already. Artist Couture, and this one is in Sugar Daddy, my absolute favorite shade out of every single one of them I've ever tried. Sugar Daddy is the winner. I love Sugar Daddy. So yeah, now I move on to my lower lashes, and I take my mascara to just kind of let them pop some more. Moving on to the last portion, which is lips. I took my brown liner and I lined my lips very dull around the perimeter, and then I went in with my Ofra liquid lipstick in Verona. That's the shade. And I pat that in. You could go for the matte vibe, but you guys know me. I had to do glossy lips. And I took my Victoria's Secret lip gloss in Strawberry Fizz. And that pretty much concludes this whole look. Yeah. So now I unravel that scarf from around the perimeter of this wig. This is how we're looking. Very natural. Very, very natural. I absolutely loved this look. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so now I'm going to move into the giveaway. How you can go ahead and enter. All right, so if you guys are interested in, all you need to go ahead and do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Of course, if you're not subscribed, then you definitely cannot enter. And then I need you guys to go to the description box of this Get Ready With Me, this video. You're going to click on the very first link that you see in my description box. Then you're going to fill out your name and email in order to enter this giveaway contest. Every person who enters will have a chance to win a gift code to use on the Jord site towards purchasing one of the Jord wooden watches. And as I said, these watches are amazing. They're perfect for gifts. You have for women and you have for men, so I think that's really cool. And the styles, they have a good variety, so I think that's a major plus. I love that. And yeah, I really love the one I was rocking with my outfit in this video as well. So you have options, definitely. So just go ahead and do that. And also guys, this contest, I'm going to put the end date in the description box as well, so please pay attention to that. As it relates to all my followers here, all my supporters, you will get a immediate $25 off and free sizing. Okay, so all you need to do in order to get that is use my code PETITE-SUE. Okay, that's all you need to do. The winner will be contacted by Jord Watches when the contest ends, and as I said, just check out the description for that information. But yeah, that's it for this video today. I hope you like it, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.